Najib was not a director or shadow director in SRC International Sendirian Berhad to be found guilty of misappropriating Rm 42 million of the company's fund. The Court of Appeal was told. A lawyer of Najib stressed that trial judge adopted the civil law and common law concept of shadow director from England to convict his client. My lord, Section 402A of the Penal Code of the definition of a director was something similar to the shadow director, but it was not the same as in England. Najib was not an insider in the company as required under the Penal Code to have committed criminal breach of trust. Najib was the outsider. The prosecution also did not establish the ingredients of the CBT charge to be called to enter defense. Shafi submitted this before a three-member bench led by three judges of Najib's appeal against his conviction and jail sentence for misappropriation of 42 million in SRC International funds. The other two judges on the bench were Hazana Mehad and Wazir Alam Maidin Mira. Shafi said the trial judge erred in law to import a common law from England to implicate Najib in the offence. My lord, it must be proven that the appellant has control and was entrusted with the 42 million to be found guilty. The appellant submits that the trial judge committed a grave error by relying on the common law and stretching the language of Section 402A on the Penal Code beyond the natural and ordinary meaning of the provision. He said, adding that it has caused serious prejudice and injustice to Najib. Colombo High Court on July 28 last year sentenced Najib to 12 years jail and 210 million fine after finding him guilty on 7 charges of criminal breach of trust, money laundering and abuse position involving SRC International funds. The court also extended the hearing of SRC International appeal for one more day to May 6. The appeal was supposed to end yesterday, but Najib's defense team could not wrap up its reply to the prosecution case, resulting in the court extending the hearing. Earlier, Justice Abdul Karim rapped the former Premier Defense team for repeating themselves. We are hearing the same points again and again. You are repeating yourself. Most of the issue have been touched. Try to focus on something really substantive. We do not know whether this point is about the Anti-Money Laundering Act or criminal breach of trust charges. Go to the main one. The most important thing is to make it clear so we can see clearer, or else it will confuse us all. When the judge asked whether the lawyer could finish his submission by yesterday, Harvinder replied, My lord, I at least need half a day to submit my part. After that, Shafi will touch on the Arab donation. Sitambaram then stood up and jokingly said, If you, my lord, are not firm, we would be here uh, until the next public holiday, drawing laughter from the gallery. Then the judge then fixed May 6 for additional hearing of Najib's appeal. Najib's appeal was initially set for 12th day from April 5th to 22nd. Later on, the application of his defense team, the bench set extra hearing day on April 27 and 28. Alright, I have finished reading. Just 5 minutes only.